Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to withdraw money from Ugly Cash to Binance fee-free. This allows you to move your funds quickly and securely without paying extra charges. Let's get started. First, open the Ugly Cash app. Log in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. Next, go to the Withdraw or Send Money section. From the main menu, select the option to transfer funds to another platform. Then, choose Binance as your destination. Select Binance from the available options and make sure your Binance account is ready to receive the funds. After that, enter the withdrawal amount. Specify how much money you want to send to Binance. Make sure it does not exceed your available balance. Next, review and confirm the transaction. Double-check your Binance account details and the amount. Confirm that the transfer is fee-free before proceeding. Finally, verify the transfer. Once processed, check your Binance account to ensure the funds have arrived successfully. Keep a record of the transaction for reference. Quick tips. Always ensure your Binance account is active and verified. Double-check account details to prevent transfer errors. Monitor Ugly Cash and Binance notifications for confirmation of the transfer. Withdrawing money from Ugly Cash to Binance fee-free is simple, fast, and secure when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.